Come with me and the fam on our last minute day trip to our local mountains, Mount Lemmon, Arizona. And come with us while we barbecue and enjoy the day.
I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive.
And on the menu today, we got the rice, queso fresco, avocado, pico de gallo, beans, guac, carne asada, marinated chicken, and of course tortillas.
Fish from dusk till dawn.
And her dog Nova decided to tag along and enjoy the day with us for her first time in the mountains. And as always, thanks for watching, like and subscribe.